Are you struggling to try and find teachers, educators for your programs or workshops? I have put together another option, and that option is a virtual retreat with a special component. You're probably wondering, well, what is that? That is taking one of my courses, a ruler quilting course or free motion quilting course, an on-demand, unlimited access course, and incorporating it into a virtual retreat. The other part of the retreat is totally up to you. That's why it's unique. You're going to put together what works for your group. You're going to take the on-demand course and then you're going to add a lecture, live lecture, virtual lecture on the topic, or a live demonstration, or a Q&A. You can do all three or any combination that you want. The other benefit is that you decide how you want to release the enrollment in connection with the lecture, demo, or Q&A components that you add to your personal retreat. This becomes a unique and special event for your guild. And the bonus is that the course is unlimited. That means your members have access to the course whenever they want, 24 hours a day. It also includes a downloadable app so they can watch the course videos and content on the go. It includes a community, a private community here on the Living Water Quilter website so members can share their progress, ask questions, post photos. It continues beyond the virtual event. So it's an ongoing opportunity for your members to enjoy the virtual retreat after the live components of either the lecture, Q&A, or demo. If you want to learn more about this and how to create your own virtual retreat with me, the Living Water Quilter, send me an email. Let me know when you would like to chat about creating your next virtual retreat with an on-demand course that has unlimited access for your members. I look forward to hearing from you.